My name is Jay Mueller. I teach AFL commentary, how to call a live match. This course is designed for people who want to learn how to call footy. This is a partnership between RMIT and Jam TV, and we had an opportunity to partner with the National Indigenous Radio Service, which provides AFL calls on radio stations all around Australia. The goal for this program is a fully student-produced, student-hosted, student-called AFL broadcast.
They want to find the next generation of AFL commentators, and you don't have to be from an AFL background to be an AFL commentator.
This is an intro into that format. It's exactly what you want out of a short course.
The best part about the course is actually just getting in and doing a call. It's the hardest, but that's the only way to do AFL commentating, is just get thrown in the deep end.
The AFL, we've provided very generously match vision to calls. So we're getting professionally produced vision of the games.
We were able to have the effects of the crowd and the umpires' effects as well, so we were able to feel like we were part of the game.
I would say a particular highlight for me for the course was certainly meeting some of the industry professionals.
These guest speakers are from various parts of the industry, and it's really interesting to find out what their experiences are, what their advice is, and how we could possibly work through it.
This course shows you that if you want to get into something like this, you really need to have a lot of preparation and dedication to what you're doing, learning from the best, I guess.
You'll get the ability to talk to people who are in the industry. You'll get the ability to start to learn how to prepare to call a match, and you'll get the ability to practice your craft. If you think you want to work in footy, then give this a shot.